Welcome to Myclass, your class. Today's video, Goodbye Old Year, Hello New Year.
Hi friends, I'm Sparkle the Star. Do you know what time it is? It's the end of the year. That's when we say goodbye to the old year and get ready to welcome a brand new one. Isn't that exciting? At the end of the year, people all over the world celebrate in special ways. Some watch fireworks, some eat yummy food, and some make wishes for the new year. What do you like to do? And there's something really fun everyone does together. Can you guess what it is? We count down. Let's count together. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! Now it's time to make a wish for the new year. Close your eyes, think of something you'd like to do, and say it out loud. I'll go first. My wish is to spread joy and sparkle everywhere. What's your wish? Shout it out. Wow, those are amazing wishes. Goodbye, old year. Hello, new year. Thank you for celebrating with me. Remember, a new year means new adventures, new friends, and lots of fun. See you next time, and Happy New Year.